All right, today we got another Power Smart inverter generator here. 4400 watt max, 3600 watt running, 2.7 gallon tank, 11 hours of runtime, RV ready, 30 amp plug-in, two regular household plug-ins, 20 amps, and it has a 12 volt socket. This thing also has a meter. It'll tell you voltage and your runtime, stuff like that. Has a DC breaker, AC reset, engine light, low oil light, and you can run two of these in parallel, get more power out of them with the eco mode. Let's see this thing in action. All right, let's get this thing started. Make sure your fuel's on. Make sure your choke's on. Turn this on, and you simply just pull it. First time, every time. Let it warm up a little bit. Put it in eco mode, quiet down a little bit. Let's put some things to it. Got your work light here. And I always like to test air fryer because these pull like 800, 900 watts. It's running both, no problem. Get yours now in the TikTok shop.